I created a piece that is a combination of historical perspective between what I like about Wedgwood, and my perspective of the world in which we live in today. But I've actually also called the piece "The Falcon Cannot Hear the Falconer," which is a quote from W.B. Yeats, which kind of tells us why, or tries to explain to the present the fact that we don't seem to be able to listen to each other. We don't seem to be able to learn from the past. It's the first time I've used narrative and figure and ornament in my work, because my own work is very pared down, very plain, and the discovery of all the ornaments and the figures within the Wedgwood tradition gave me a platform to use narrative and storytelling. The importance of creative institutions like Wedgwood, the creativity that comes from making, the importance of making, of creating objects, the history that is created by making objects, the continuity, the fact that ceramics as a material has the capacity to endure year after year and be able to narrate a history of who we are as a people. Well done, Wendy.